Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of seeing my video, if it's your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are the best. So guys, on this video I'm going to show you how I made this twist and lock hairstyle with my natural hair only, without any hair extension or kinky, just my natural hair. So guys, I'll be using this organic olive oil twist and lock gel, as you can see. So before, I normally use this ORS lock and twist, but this one, but this as you can see, this one is all gone. Then I went to shop to get this particular one, but I couldn't find it. I have to buy the other one. So I'll be using my big comb and my small comb as usual. So guys, let's get started. So after I have washed my hair and I hot combed my hair. Yes, hot comb, because my natural hair is normally strong, so I have to use this hot combing to hot comb it. So let's get started. So guys, at the end of this video, if you find it interested, if it's the kind of video you like, if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe on that red subscribe button that says subscribe, and press the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification. So guys, thank you all for tuning in, and let's dive into the video. So guys, tell me what you think about the hair, about the hairstyle, whether you can give it a try. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. It's so simple, so easy. So if since you have all the requirements, the twist and lock gel, you can do it. Just comment on the comment section. Tell me what you think. Or if you Wow, this is the end. As you can see, look at that beautiful smile. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and share the video too. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video.